Welcome back to Seasoned by Sydney. If you're new here, I'm Sydney and I'm all about health and wellness. On my channel, you will find everything from healthy recipes to healthy grocery hauls to guided meditation to fitness content. So if you're looking for health and wellness content, leave me a comment down below to tell me what kind of videos you would like to see. But today, I've got another healthy weeknight meal for you guys. Yes, indeedy. That's all you guys asked me for. Just kidding. That's what everybody asked me for, is healthy, easy, chicken-related dishes. So I've got one for you, and it's gonna be in the handy-dandy Instapot because I love my Instapot. Like, it makes every meal so fast and easy that you really don't even have to think about dinner, especially in the winter, soup season. So today we're making some delicious white chicken chili. If you've never had white chicken chili, it's like chili, but it's got like cream cheese, and I'm using Greek yogurt in mine instead of sour cream to make it just a tiny bit healthier. So it's got like a creamy, spicy consistency. It's delicious. We're gonna top it with avocado and lime. Guys, it's gonna be amazing. It's so warm and filling and good for you. So without further ado, I'm done running my mouth. Let's get into it. Oh, actually there is some more ado, because you better like and subscribe before we get started. Now, let's get into it. So I'm starting with my Instapot on the sauté mode, and then I'm gonna switch it to the pressure cook mode after I sweat all my vegetables to pressure cook the soup. We're just gonna sweat these vegetables. We're not trying to get any color on them. We're just trying to get them till they're translucent. Make sure you rinse off your canned beans before you use them. I ran out of gloves, unfortunately, but I did wash my hands in between touching this chicken and my seasoning bottles, so don't try to play me. We just want enough chicken stock to cover the chicken, really. Make sure the knob is facing towards ceiling. And we're gonna set this for 20 minutes. It's gonna take about 15 minutes to pressurize. I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I let the steam release for another 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna take out my chicken. Oop, it's falling off the bone. And I'm gonna shred this just with some tongs. Some people shred their chicken with a hand mixer too, so you can do that. I'm gonna add in some cream cheese and Greek yogurt, and I'm gonna stir this in, like, stir it a lot. Stir it until you get that creamy consistency in your soup that you want. At this point, the Instapot is off, but it's still super hot, so your cream cheese and Greek yogurt will melt. And you can add your shredded chicken back in and just stir it all up to combine. Make sure you taste. Season to your liking. And serve with some fresh squeezed lime, some chopped avocado, and a little cilantro. This is one of those healthy weeknight meals that you're gonna keep in rotation. Like, it's so warm, and the citrus, the acid, just makes it amazing to me. And I love how easy it is. And that's all, folks. Just like that, You have a healthy, delicious meal, under 30 minutes, minimal effort. It's chicken, it's easy, it's delicious, it's everything you've ever dreamed of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Check out my playlist. I think I'm gonna start a playlist called Instant Pot Recipes, so you guys can just go there and get everything you need. If you want me to drop more crock pot recipes, I know some people are still using the crock pot. I definitely have those up my sleeve. So leave me a comment if you'd like to see those. And I will see you guys next week. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love me.